Now to show you cam costs. For example, let's say you're inputting a new planter. I will show you this in a later video. Let's say you're inputting a new planter and I click on Jordan. Boom. I see cam costs has automatically jumped to 15. I could easily change this if I want to, let's say 16, doesn't matter. And when you're entering new, this is all, I'll show you this later. I'm just showing you that when you're entering a new tally, the default is set to 15 and it pops up for you. Here we go to tables and planter charges. If we go to design view and click on cam costs, we see that the default value is set to 15. Let's say you go to a new contract and you say, I want to change the default value to 25 because we're just going to charge more for this contract. So now I do that. I've changed the default value to 25. I press save. I close this table. All this is explained in the website in detail. I go back to favorites. Let's say I'm inputting tallies for a new day. I go down to the bottom and I add another day, and let's say I click on Vincent. Boom. Here you see the update has automatically gone to 25. Choose some planters, and I go here again, another planter. Boom, 25. It's a new day. Okay, I add Christopher Columbus. He was on that block on this species. And he added another, he went to another block later on in the day. Christopher Columbus, I don't know, doesn't matter, another block, another species. And usually what you would do is, if one planter goes on several blocks, obviously you don't want to charge him twice for cam costs. You can set the default to 0 and add your cam costs manually. There's different ways you can go about this. But I've accidentally added cam costs twice for that day. So basically now I've got, on the same day, I've got 3 cam costs. For this reason, I created a special form, cam costs. This shows you all planters, all cam costs. This way you can double check your data. And here I see that Christopher Columbus has 75 cam costs, and I go, this sends an alarm signal. I gotta go back and I gotta fix my data. Now you can see the date here is 8/1/2009. I see 75, sends an alarm signal. I go, okay, that was a mistake somewhere, so I'll go to August 1st, 2009. I go back to my inputting, and I go down to 2009. You know, I can also sort, forgot to mention that. If I want to sort, I can sort here's this little sort button, and this sorts everything according to block name, or let's say according to name. I want to sort it according to date, let's say from highest to lowest, and I see here August 1st was the top, and I'll correct this to 0 for 2 of those days. Okay, and close this, go back to my cam costs, and now I see that it's 25. I've just fixed the problem. Just to show you that it's all interconnected, and this is how I dealt with cam costs. We can do it any other, based on your suggestions, it's very easy for me to make any changes.